Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Black Cat SEO. So not black hat, but black cat. I have a black cat over there. From Michel Sirois, it's $17. You can see here you get an exit pop discount coupon code that takes $7 off, brings it down to $9.95. And it's a complete training program in how to get your posts listed in a couple of hours. He says Outranks, black hat methods. And so that's worth $9.95. And then on top of it all, it's a PLR product that you can resell. So if it costs you $10, you get some great information and you can resell it for $10 times however many sales you can get out of it. It's a great deal. So fresh out today, it's called Black Cat SEO. The link is in the description. I'll give you a little look around. Let's go over here. The link will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com, by the way. There's a bit of a description there of the features, a bit of a description of the one-time offers, the upgrades that are possible. And then you scroll to the bottom, click the product box, Black Cat SEO, and you can grab a copy once you wait for it to fully load the next page, and then run your cursor up to the corner of the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Up will pop this exit pop that you're seeing there that says, wait, are you leaving? $7 off. So let's get rid of that. Here's the page. There's the demo video kind of thing there. I'll let you scroll through that. 10 training modules on making money in 2024 with blogging, ChatGPT, copy and pasting, same-day results ranking Google within 2 hours of posting his articles, unlimited free traffic, and you've got the PLR license and complete marketing package. So the whole 9 yards, $9.95. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here just to give you a look. I want to show you the video parts there. Okay, so here you go. You can see modules, free plugins to help you with SEO, keyword research, blog article structure, SEO articles, YouTube rankings with faceless videos. You can see already. Is that worth $10 so far? Heck yeah. Social media posts and so on. I'll let you scroll through all this. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Make sure you grab the $7 off. It's called Black Cat SEO, fresh out today. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.